Hey guys, this is a great opportunity to invest into your health. Take an action. Hello guys, I'm going to fantastic. I'm going to roast my mackerel fish. Okay, I'm using our new grill. This is grill. It's for grilling. Okay, it's titanium 316 titanium L. I'm putting on it's on the stove. It's hot. I'm going to cut this and put it inside to grill it. Okay, this is made by Royal Prestige for Innovate. So my fish, can you hear the sizzling? Two, you can do barbecue. Look, Chris, summer is coming, so your barbecue, you can easily do it there without the smoking, you know. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me take a picture of it as well. No, I can take a picture here. See? That's it. It's grilling. Grilling beautiful. I wait for about 15 minutes, then I'll just turn it with this. Yeah? If you want to get hold of this beautiful grill pan, just give me a shout. Give me a shout and I'll do a presentation for you to see. It's made with 316 titanium L. It's durable. The inside is made with surgical steel, so it doesn't chip in chemicals into your fish or your chicken that you'll be grilling. It makes grilling easy. It doesn't smell everywhere. It doesn't smoke. It's very, very good. So if you want to get hold of this, just give me a shout. I'll come and do a presentation for you. And this is the second pot that I'm making my banku inside as well. Okay, I'm going to show you in a minute. Okay, this is it. Can you see the pot? This is 4 quarts. This is 4 quarts. I'm cooking my banku in. You see, make it very easy. Yeah? That's it. It's 4 quarts. It's beautiful. And it has a lid as well. So if I want my banku to boil, I just have to cover it and leave it to boil. Okay, previous ones that we had before from Salad Master is 3 quarts, but this is 4 quarts. Okay, you know, during the pandemic, you know, a company called me and they said that, oh, they realized that I've been promoting healthy living, promoting this cookware for my community, and that my community really likes big pots. They have followed me and my team. They realize that my community, you know, likes big pots because most of the pots they buy, they want a big one. And most of my clients or customers that have been to their houses, they always want a big pot. So I kept telling the company that we want a big pot. So during the pandemic, around the August, you know, around June, July, a company called me to say that, oh yeah, we are partnered with another cookware company, a very big one called Royal Prestige, and that they are doing, you know, they are catering for the African community, the Caribbean and the Asian community, because they realize that we cook large food, you know, so they called us to come and have a look. And I went there and I realized that, wow, the pot is amazing. The prices is quite good. And I said, why not? I have my own Salad Master customers who want big pots. Okay, so why wouldn't I partner with you again and transfer my dealership, you know, or my franchisee with you, so that I can get this big pot and promote it with my community. So that is why I'm promoting the Innovate cookware at the moment. Yes, so it's the same as Salad Master. It does the same work as Salad Master. You know, just that the design is different, and then it's in big sizes and it's slightly cheaper. You see, this lid is quite different from this. This is what Salad Master had. You know, anybody who has Salad Master, this is how it is, and this is how Innovate is. You know, they are all made with 316 titanium, just slightly different in design and cosmetic, a bit different. Because this one has, you know, plastic silicone lid, which helps your food to maintain the moisture more actually, but you get the same health benefit from it. So if you're a family that you need a big cookware, you need a big pot, and you've been wondering, and because of that you are missing aluminium cooking with your salad master cooking, it's time for you to make a change, and the time is here. So this is, I'm doing my banku, okay, and my fish is also grilling nicely here. There. So this is, it's quite deep. You can do your fufu inside too. It's quite deep to do your fufu inside too. Very, very good. When it's ready, I'll come back to you again. Okay? So this is African banku. It's corn dough with cassava dough mixed together. Yeah, it's corn dough and cassava dough mixed together. That's what I'm just cooking. It's banku. If you're a Ghanaian, you know. If you're not a Ghanaian, you're any African person, you all eat swallow. Somehow you eat some kind of swallow. This is from maize. Yeah. So it's the same thing. Yeah. And my fish is grilling nicely here. Yeah. From this grill pan, it's beautiful. You can see this is my mackerel, neatly just on the stove. If you have salad master and you have the skillet, you can do your fish in a skillet, what we call bad boy. The one we call bad boy. Some of you have it. Yeah, you can do your fish in, you can do your chicken in, grill and everything in. This is another one. This is from Innovate. It's quite easy and pretty. You don't need to carry the whole skillet and go and wash it. This is easy to do, and it's much open, so it makes grilling much better. Okay, than using the skillet. The skillet is good when you want frying and stuff like that. So guys, transition. It's time to transit. It's time to make a change. So come on, just give me a shout and let me do a presentation for you, or I'll come home and show it to you. I'll do a presentation online. If you don't have any of this cookware I'm talking about, either the Salad Master or the Innovate, it's time to make a change. Because you can't keep cooking in aluminium pots. You have to make your kitchen life to be easy. Make your kitchen life easy for you by investing into quality cookware. That will make your kitchen life quite easier for you, and it will help you to cut down the number of minutes or hours you stay in the kitchen. Okay, this is going to be ready in no time. Okay, I'm going to just grab my pepper and just go with it. Add some avocado to it, and I'm just gone. Okay, so yeah, when it's ready, I'll come back to you again. Okay, to your health. Beautiful. I'm going to cover it so that it can just heat up quickly. See, this is a nice design, very nice design, different from the other one you bought before. If you don't have any of this cookware, give me a shout. I'll do a presentation for you, online presentation, and explain the cooking concept behind this pot. Okay, then you can invest into one of them. To your health, stay blessed. It's time for me to take my capsules. I cook in a healthy cookware like this, and I take healthy supplement. I take fruits and vegetables, 30 kinds of them as well. So it's making my life worth it. I've invested into my health, myself and my family, and it's amazing. To your health, stay blessed. I'll come to at the end of this cooking. I'll show you the end results. All right, stay blessed. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Hello. Hello, guys. My fish. Let's see. The fish is okay. I'm going to turn it for you to see. Oh my God! Look at that. My goodness. Can you see? Oh goodness, it's so beautiful. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Let's bring it down. Look at that. Wow. My word. Listen, it grills better. It grills better than the other ones you have, than the salad master, even than your oven. Look at this. Amazing. Wow. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. Wow. Oh, I feel like just kissing it now. Look at that. Beautiful. And my quantity is cooking. Look at that. Beautiful girl. Once again, give me a shout, okay? And I'll do a presentation for you. Okay. This is also cooking nicely. See? My blanket is cooking nicely. Right there, look at my blanket. It's cooking nicely. Well, almost ready. Yeah. So I'm going to just be wrapping it now. I'm going to add water to it and leave it to go. That's it. It's ready. That's it. Okay. So you see, this is 4 cups and it's quite deep, so it helps for your banku and other things to cook much better. Yeah? So you see, this is maybe 316 titanium. Amazing. I'm just going to put water in, cover it, and it will boil, and then that's it, to be ready. Yeah? It will boil and it will just be ready for your consumption. For my consumption. Well, I'm going to have this with shito. It's going to be amazing. See.
You are Alpha and Omega.
Amazing. I'm doing a lot here in the kitchen. Okay. Alright then. To your health. I'm waiting. You've seen the fish. You've seen how the banku is done. To your health, stay blessed. Give me a shout and I'll do a presentation for you. Send me a message, then I'll do a presentation for you. This is a healthy way to cook. Okay? Invest into your health. Take care. Love you. Bye. I'm waiting. Comments on YouTube. Comments, like and share. Comments, like and share. What did I say? Comments, like and share. My page. Yeah? To your health, stay blessed. Love you. Holistic health approach. That is what I do. I promote healthy living. Supplement way, natural products, cooking pots, healthy cooking pots. I'm a health promoter. Contact me for all your health needs. I'll be